Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Great Locks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at Trippie Red's dreadlocks. We got an update on him. There's some things changing with his dreads, and it's always really interesting to see these people going through the process of their dreadlocks. But you guys, before we get into the video, make sure to leave a comment down below who you guys want to see next on the channel, and also comment down below your favorite product to use on your dreadlocks so that other people can see what you are using. I also wanted to mention really quickly, if you follow Great Locks on Instagram and tag Great Locks on your pictures, you can be featured on the channel, the page, and even the website. And I'll hit on that a little bit more on the end of the video, but let's jump straight into Trippie Red's dreadlocks. So the first thing we need to know about his hair is that he has most likely a 3B, maybe a 3C hair type. So his hair isn't really curly, but we can say that his hair is curly. And if you don't know hair types, or you don't know your hair type personally, you can watch the hair type video down below. I linked it. Just click the link next to where it says what is my hair type, and it'll tell you exactly what your hair type is. It's breaking every single thing down about hair types. And the cool thing about that video is it shows you not only your hair type, but the perfect methods for each hair type. So it's literally your keys to success when getting dreadlocks. Now guys, understanding that he has a 3B, maybe 3C hair type, and looking at his dreadlocks, we can say that he most likely started out with probably crochet hooking mixed with twisting with gel. He could have started out with something else, but if you want to get your hair like his, you can use these two methods. And I linked the crochet hook and locking gel down below just so you guys can go check those out. And these products not only work good for Trippie Red and me, myself, but a lot of other people that have used these products, and these products really work. Now the reason you would typically pair up twisting with gel with crochet hooking is because twisting with gel takes a little bit of time for the dreadlocks to actually mature. So when going on with crochet hooking, you can speed up the process because twisting with gel will create the sections and crochet hooking will mature the dreadlocks. So those are the two steps you need in order to get your dreadlocks. Is you need your sections and you need the maturing, because those two things means that you have dreadlocks: sections and mature. The best way to know that your hair is mature is when your dreadlocks are hard and they're not really soft and squishy, and when they are bendy and not like straight and sticking out, because those are still young dreadlocks. Even if you crochet hook them and they may be hard and stiff, mature dreadlocks, believe it or not, are more loose. They're hard but loose, and they hang and they don't stand up. So that's kind of how you base if they're mature or not. Now twisting with gel and crochet hooking are very easy steps to do. You just gotta know how to do it properly, and I actually have 2 videos on that, and I'll link in both of those down below. And if you watch those videos, it'll tell you exactly how to do each step, and both of them are actually really easy to do. Now if you end up doing these methods the wrong way, you can end up damaging your hair, so please watch the tutorials and learn how to do it properly, because I don't want any of you guys having patches of missing hair on your head, because let's face it, that's not a good idea. But you guys, with him most likely using a crochet needle, which almost every famous rapper uses a crochet needle on their dreadlocks, whether it's them themselves or their hairdresser, the product of the day is a crochet needle. So click the link at the top of the description and it'll take you straight to Amazon to get yourself a crochet needle. And if you get anything for your dreadlocks, this is the #1 product or tool you would need. If you don't get anything else, this is the only thing you would need. And that's just a pro tip for you guys. I've used this myself and it works really great. I've done other people's dreadlocks and I've finished their whole head in less than a day, and they had mature dreadlocks in 1 day. So a crochet needle is definitely a necessity when starting, or even if you have your dreadlocks already. But you guys, that's today's video. Like I said, make sure to follow Great Locks on Instagram, and don't forget to tag us so you can be featured on the page, channel, and the website. And please don't forget to go check out greatlocks.com. It has all your dreadlock products, all of your dreadlock tutorials, all on one website, so you don't have to go all these million different places to figure out how you're gonna get your dreadlocks. You can literally go there, find the products you want, figure out how to use them, and the method on how to start your dreadlocks and maintain them. So make sure to go check out greatlocks.com and you will not be let down. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.